Hello guys, my name is Alpha Alper and I am a representative of the site csgomine.com. Today I'm going to show you in this quick informative video how to use the website called csgomine.com. As you can see, it's an unusual site as it is a cryptocurrency based CSGO website, which means that you can mine cryptocurrency which then can be used to gather balance right here and withdraw skins and other gift cards. So firstly I'm going to set up my mining program. If you want an introduction to the site, please skip the video until I finish instructing how to set up the nice hash mining. Firstly, when you log into your site, you're given your miner name, which is unique for each person. For example, mine is Simple13, and Bitcoin address, which is not unique for anyone, which is mainly the site's Bitcoin address. And how this works is simple. You click download nice hash miner. It takes you to the GitHub repository where you can just simply click this big shining download button and it downloads you nh_windows blah blah blah. So I'm going to save it. As you can see, I already downloaded it once to test it out, and I should mention I'm doing this on Windows Edge. This is because Microsoft, Google Chrome tends to flag this as a false positive, as it is again a miner that integrates into your graphic card and your CPU. So yeah, so I'm going to open it, and first things first, you should really see all of these files, which most useful for us right now is the nicehashminer legacy.exe. Again, your antivirus might block this exe from running, as it again integrates into your graphic card and CPU. So if you want to install this specific miner, you should disable your antivirus beforehand. I can assure you there are no viruses included into this miner, as it's a quite popular Bitcoin miner. Okay, so this again offers you to integrate third-party software. However, it also explains that it's a non-open source code, which means that it could possibly damage, make security breaches, make you lose data, and so on and so forth. If you want a quicker and better experience with nicehashminer, I suggest you agree, but personally I will refuse, just because security breaches and data issues is quite important for me, as I'm currently studying. It's going to load up your detect and load up your CPU and download the miners, which will take around 180 megabytes. A quick note is that you don't usually just start mining, and you should pick a server location that represents where you're closest at. So don't expect going to India from Europe and expecting a good speed of mining or something like that. Okay, so it's going to take a while, so I'm already going to went over how to set up your Bitcoin address and worker name. Your worker name should be like your miner name. So my worker name here is worker1. To an extent it should be 13 only, and Bitcoin address should be the website's Bitcoin address, as it will detect your worker name and just reward you every 3 minutes with the amount that you mine. The website takes 1% cut, as far as I am told, and it goes back to the bonus jackpot, which I'll explain later in the video. So yeah, it's about to stop setting up, and yeah, I'll show you some other crucial steps how to set up the miner and actually start mining. However, you should note that due to the length of this video, I'm just going to skip some of these steps. So, as I told you, your worker name should be like your miner name, which is 13, and your Bitcoin address should be like the site address, also copied here. I'm in Europe, so server location is adequate. So the next smart step is benchmarking. It is mandatory and should be regarded with importance. If you have ADM processors, you should take Precise, which will take also longer, but ADM have a problem using nice hash miner, so you usually should use Precise on non-NVIDIA graphic cards or CPUs. Quick is also inaccurate, but is serviceable if you agree on it, and standard is just standard. You should do this and just start benchmarking. It will download a couple of miners and see which is better for you, and just start mining on them. Of course, nice hash miner takes a cut, but not as much as it should, and the site takes 1% cut, which is minor. So once you've done that, you can click start. Once you've done benchmarking anyways, again we're clicking start. You should click start, and after 3 minutes or so you will receive your balance updated in the website itself. If not, I suggest refreshing the page and it should be updated. Please note, in order to mine, the miner script status has to be on, not off. If it's off, you should not mine, but if it's on, well, you're free to go.